What's up, guys? This is Rafi with R&J Killer Customs. I'm gonna start trying to be a little more detailed for you guys so you guys can see how to do what I'm doing. So like, I'm working on that 1977 LT10 tractor right now. That it's a Sears tractor and it has a 12 horsepower Briggs. I'm working on the steering because it comes with those little shafts that's part of the steering setup, and you just kind of slide the tractor wheel on there and put the little cotter pin, and it's, you know, not meant for going more than 5 miles an hour, but we want to go more than 5 miles an hour. So I'm going to show you how you have to cut that off, weld a grade 8 bolt from Tractor Supply 5/8, and what you need as far as golf cart front wheel spindles. It comes as a kit with the lug nuts, the wheel hub, everything, for really inexpensive. Couple tapered spacer pieces that come in a 2-pack that you can actually shave to what you need, and it works perfect. No slop in this and the wheel hub. Really easy to do. Basic welding skills. So here's the pictures of what you need, before and after, what it looks like, and how to do it. Okay everyone, so this is how you convert your riding mower front shaft to one that you can install a golf cart wheel or a 4x4 lug pattern wheel onto your riding mower. 5/8 bolt from Tractor Supply. Cut the old one off right at where the washer flange is. Grind it out because it's very thin, and you want to get a clean, good weld to the steering at that point so you know it's even. It's just a grade 8 bolt. When I figured out my spacing to space this wheel out, I don't want to cut too much off my the body of my mower, so we're going with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 washers to space it out. They're all grade 8 parts that I'm using. I don't want nothing that's gonna fail. And then, remember how I was showing you guys about those spacers, the picture I took and posted in this video? Well, they're tapered. They come in a 2-pack. One is shorter than the other for a reason. You have to grind it down a little bit with a flap disc, nothing big, takes about a minute or two. And you want the longer one to go on first, because with the golf cart hubs, and they're pretty much standard, this side that goes in is tapered. This one has just a flat bearing, nothing fancy. So for that reason, I kept it tapered. It slipped right in on that side. And the short one's gonna go here to avoid this slop that we get right here. That's gonna go in there, and that just took care of that right there. So then you can put another grade 8 washer, and I cut one of these tubes out right here that slips on over it to make up for that space. I got too long of a bolt. I don't feel like cutting and welding it again, so which I kind of want it long for this purpose, so I can put one on here and just kind of snug it up. Obviously I'm going to take this off so I can do like blue thread locker and so forth, but now you got no slop and it's perfect spinning. So what I like to do is throw another one on there, so I'm gonna go grab one of those and throw that on there. Okay, so as you can see, grade 8 washer, 5/8, little spacer, another one, and we got double nutted, which I'm going to take that off later and put blue thread locker just so it's solid. But let's set this thing down. take a look at her. See how it's gonna look. Definitely a big difference between that and the wheel weights. All right. So as you can see now, we got golf cart wheels for the front, both sides. That exhaust is obviously going to be modified. I got a lot more work to do compared to the back wheels. I kind of like the stance, it's good. I'm going to do I have a tractor seat I'm going to throw on there. I'm going to clean up, and the whole thing's getting painted and stuff anyways. That's what it looks like, and that's how you do it. Pretty simple, not much in parts. A little bit of work, not much. Something you can complete in a few hours.